Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, this is gonna be a natural hairstyle video, period. If y'all new here, welcome to my channel where all the bad bitches relate and all the fake bitches hate, because y'all know they be hating. So first thing first, I dry my hair off with a microfiber towel, and then I'm going in with my white tooth. I repeat, white tooth comb to detangle. Sometimes I like using the unbrush, but the white tooth is where it's at, and I always lose it, so I had to buy some more. So that's why I'm using my white tooth, and I'm starting at the ends of my hair, and then I work my way up once I can get through the ends. So I start at the ends, comb that through, and then I work my way up the shaft of the hair. This is how my hair looks when I first freshly washed it. No, the only product I put in there I forgot to show was the Sacred moisturizing cream. I love that. If y'all get anything from Sacred, if y'all don't know, Sacred is Beyonce brand. If y'all get anything from that, get the moisturizing cream. A lot of people say get the edge drops. I don't got that, but I love the moisturizing cream. I love that. It's very moisturizing. It's perfect for your hair. Next thing, I'm sectioning off the back part of my hair, and I'm going in with the Dew Mousse stuff. So I actually got that from Marshalls, but you can get it from Amazon or CVS or wherever you find it, get it. It's so good, and it really works for my 4C hair. I know a lot of people like texturism is whatever, but I have 4C hair, y'all can see, and it really works. So I put that on that section, and then I go back in with my comb to detangle it. This helps all the coils separate themselves. Just like when people with like looser curls, they use a dimmer brush or like a tangle teaser. I'm using a white tooth comb because, like I said, it detangle easier. Then I go in with the Blueberry Bliss Curls Cream. It smells so good, and I take a little bit. Enough for the section. You really just eyeball it. You play with it, see what's best for your hair. So I'm going in with that, and I just finger detangle and I rake it through my hair. This is gonna give the curls hold, and it's gonna define it a little bit more. I feel like the mousse itself isn't enough, but when you go in with the curl jelly after, like y'all see, it started really popping. Honestly, if you don't want to do this, you could use those products for a twist out too. Like, I didn't want to do a twist out. It was gonna take more time. Like, this is a quick style to do, but it takes forever to dry. That's the only thing I have to say. Like, I love doing this style when it's an off day, I'm just chilling, I want to do something with my natural hair. Like, this is me styling my hair after wearing it in like a ponytail for like 2 weeks, I think. Like, I'm just detangling it, putting the mousse on, detangling it, making sure I get my roots as well. Like, you don't want to be stingy with the product. You want to put as much as you think you need. So what I like about these three products working together, when it dried, there is no white crusties, is no flaking at all. But also, I just have to repeat this is freshly washed hair. The only three products are the Sacred moisturizing cream, the Dew Mousse, and then the curls jelly. So it's 3 products. It's no other products. I wasn't wearing my hair out in a different style for a week. I had this style in freshly washed. So I know if you do it with unfresh hair, you might get some flaking. So freshly washed is the best way to go with it. I wanted to zoom in and show y'all like me doing the top of my head, because I'm going in. Y'all see that the mousse is really defining the curls. You see that it's defining it. It's giving it slip as well, but once I put the jelly on it, it really takes it to a new level. And I'm just taking the big section and splitting into a smaller section so I can get the roots of my hair, because you do not want the roots to be puffy and the mid shaft to the ends of your hair to be coily. Like, that just don't look right. It already looked like you had the style in for like a week, and I didn't want to look like that. And during this style, it can last me a whole week. I'm gonna show y'all later on when I do to style it once it's dry, but I'm just showing y'all how I apply it. And y'all can see once I'm combing it through, you can see the curls and the coils form, like from the ends to the mid shaft. And if you feel like it's looking frizzy, don't be shy, add some more. Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy, put some more product on there. That means it needs more product. If it's looking frizzy and you still styling your hair, you need to put some more product. But I want to show you me finger detangling, finger combing, raking it through my hair. And I know, like, the front of the fuck is that? Anyways, the front of my hair is a different texture than the back. I think the back is tighter and the front is just a little bit looser, but it's okay because it's gonna look good regardless. And y'all see how it looks? It's so coily and cute. The only thing, like I said before, this style takes forever to dry. I feel like if you have a hooded dryer, this is how it looks when I'm done applying all the products. And I'm checking to see if I see any spots that's frizzing, and I see that spot that's frizzing right there. So I'm like, all right, let me add some more mousse, let me add some more gel, because why are you frizzing? I just did you. So like, what's going on? It needs some more product. So this is what my hair turned out while it's completely dry. I didn't do anything like new to it. I just let it dry, air dry. I'm gonna hop in the shower and just put a shower cap on. I'm gonna show y'all how I plan on tying my hair and how I plan on styling in the morning, where you can actually wear this style out. Like, this is literally just defined curls in its natural state. Like, well, not natural, but like defined curls. But I don't want to wear it like this because it looks kind of uneven, very shrinked. So I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to come back and show y'all how I like to wrap my hair up. Okay, so to wrap your hair up at night, what you want to do is grab your scarf. And you're going to... So y'all see the black is the inside of the scarf. You're basically going to have it at the back, so where you tie it in the front. So you're going to tie it in the front. Tie it in the front. Like this. Not tie it, but like just cross it over. It should be like on your forehead, right here, right above your hairline. And you're gonna hold the back. You're gonna hold these two ends in one hand, and you're gonna hold it tight, but not tight enough where you can't move the back part, because you're basically moving the scarf to cover your hair like this, You see how my hair is covered, but the back is also still covered. We're gonna tie it. It's up to you if you want your ears in there or not. I'm gonna take my ears out. We're gonna stuff our hair in it as much as possible, and then we're just gonna tuck it in between this. So we're gonna tuck it right here. So now your hair is protected and covered. Now put on your bonnet. Okay, so this is the next day. I woke up in the morning, took the bonnet off, took off the scarf, and I'm showing y'all how I stretch my hair. So I'm using my blow dryer on high speed, high heat. If you don't want to do high heat, that's up to you. It's gonna take longer, but this is what I do. I just grab the section in my hand and I'm holding it by the ends, and I'm just using the blow dryer to follow the hair strands. So you see me moving the blow dryer up and down the hair strands. I'm just using that to stretch the hair. And like once I feel like it's stretched, I let the hair go, and then I just start fluffing it out a little bit. And y'all can see the coils like up the hair. Do y'all see the before right here, this shrinkage versus the after I stretch it out? Like, okay, so just grab the section, stretch it with your hands, grab your blow dryer, high heat, high speed, and you're just following the strands of the hair. is the wash and go, where it's not really a wash and go, but this my wash and go type shit. It's an easy natural style. Like I can wear this like my hair and put it in ponytails for like the rest of the week. Like y'all see this, like period. And just take your pick and just pick it a little bit, add some more volume. Always got to add more volume to the back. Y'all see, I'm gonna show y'all the hair for it though. So y'all see, this is the front of the hair. Y'all see it has movement, like it's moving, it has body. It's still pretty defined. We're gonna turn around. This is what the back looks like. So this is how I love to style my hair for the summer. Or like when I'm wearing my natural hair out and I'm tired of slick backs and ponytails, do this. Get them 2 products, 3 products. It don't have to be exactly the same, but get you some products that blend well together. Yeah, I just love it. And I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna come back and do my edges. Okay, so as y'all see, I just did my edges. I'm gonna tie them down though. Alright, let me show you my edges. This is what I use for my edges. It's called Lock and Twist. Boom. 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 And here's the final hair. The final hair. I love the hair. The hair is amazing. I love it. Yeah. No complaints. So if y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Yeah. Tell me if y'all try it. It's very simple. You don't even gotta twist your hair, but you do need a whole day, okay? Or if you have a hooded dryer, I recommend that. But I don't got that. I had the whole day, so yeah. Period.